Are venture capital investments worth the risk? Fact or fiction? Welcome back to The Motivated Investor, where we explore the world of investing and finance to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into a hot topic. Are venture capital investments worth the risk? Fact or fiction? Venture capital has become synonymous with high-stakes investing, innovation, and the potential for massive returns. But with that allure comes significant risk. So, is it worth it? Let's break it down. First, let's define what venture capital is. It's a type of private equity funding that investors provide to startups and small businesses with strong growth potential. These investments are typically high risk, as many startups fail, but the potential rewards can be substantial. Think of companies like Google, Facebook, and Airbnb. These all began as small startups that received venture capital funding. Now, let's discuss the risk factor. Investing in startups is inherently risky. Many new businesses don't survive their first few years, and even those that do may not provide a return on investment for many years. So how do venture capitalists navigate this uncertainty? The key is diversification. By investing in a portfolio of startups, venture capitalists increase their chances of backing a winner that can offset the losses from others. But here's where the narrative often gets complicated. Some critics argue that the venture capital model is flawed. They point out that it can lead to a bubble where inflated valuations create unrealistic expectations. This can put pressure on startups to perform, sometimes leading them to make decisions that prioritize short-term gains over long-term sustainability. So does this mean that venture capital investments are not worth the risk? Not necessarily. Consider the impact of venture capital on innovation. Many of the technologies and services we use today owe their existence to the funding provided by venture capitalists. This investment fuels new ideas and drives economic growth. When a startup succeeds, it not only rewards its investors, but also creates jobs, improves lives, and changes industries. So, what's the takeaway? Venture capital investments can indeed be worth the risk, but they are not for everyone. They require a certain mindset and a tolerance for uncertainty. If you're an investor considering this route, it's crucial to do your homework. Understand the market, the business model, and the team behind the startup. Moreover, venture capital is often best suited for experienced investors or those who can afford to lose their investment. For the average investor, there are other avenues to explore, such as mutual funds or exchange-traded funds that focus on established companies. These options tend to be less risky and can provide steady returns without the volatility associated with startups. In conclusion, the answer to whether venture capital investments are worth the risk is not black and white. It's a balance of potential rewards against the risks involved. If you are intrigued by the world of venture capital, approach it with caution, educate yourself, and make informed decisions. Thank you for tuning in to The Motivated Investor. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of investing. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content. Until next time, happy investing.